Have my iced coffee here. I'm out of breath for some reason. Oh, I know, because I'm fat. I'm back into filming in my room because down in my studio is hot. It's so hot in there, but it feels hot in here too, so fuck it. Hey, what's up you guys, Tony here and welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys some of my recent pickups from thrift shops to Target to ASOS. I'm going to show you a couple things that I recently got. Some of them that I got at the thrift store are for DIYs that I'm planning to do during the summer, but I'm still going to show you guys what I got. If you guys want to see some of my recent items that I have, then continue watching. This shirt right here is from a campaign that I did last year during summer at JCPenney. Obsessed. Flowy tops are still going to be in for summer this year, so get your eyes ready. I'm going to be transforming this into different type of looks. Some of the new flowy tops that I recently picked up as well. Alright, I got this denim jacket or shirt. I mean, it's more on the thicker side, so you can do either way. It gives me like a 90s feel to it, which I love. Oversized, roll up the chunky sleeves. I'm planning an all denim look for spring, so keep your eyes open for that one. With this one, you can use it buttoned up like this, or you can throw on a very nice solid color undershirt. Minimal colors. If you want to be bright for this spring and summer, then you can throw something bright underneath. I feel like a really cool yellow underneath shirt would look really nice, which I'm gonna go ahead and try it on right now. This is how it looks with a yellow top. Now this yellow top is from Big Boy Bamboo, so I'll put the link down below and you guys do get a discount for this. Big Boy Bamboo t-shirts are made out of bamboo, so they're very fresh, so they're perfect for spring and summer. And it doesn't look bad with this denim jacket. Throw on some black jeans. Love how it looks. So you can wear it buttoned up or put a solid color t-shirt underneath. It doesn't even have to be solid, it could be a printed t-shirt too. Alright, this next one here is from Original Use at Target. So this one has like that, what was this, like workout material? You guys hear it? And in the back is just a regular t-shirt material. So I kind of like the balance of both of them. I still like the way it fits and I like the way it works. I have the perfect pants that these are going to look so good with. So this one's pretty fun. I like how it looks, especially around at night. It kind of like brightens up, makes you glowy. So I like the way it fits, I like the way it works. Original Use, once again I'm going to tell you guys, always fits me bigger. If I buy a 2XL, it fits me like a 4XL. So Original Use, I'm originally a L. So it's a large. Might be able to see my nipples with this one, but fuck it. Alright, so this next one is by Original Use as well. So this is from their new line. All of the tie-dye shirts are going to be in right now. Not sure if you can tell the tie-dye on this, but it's a very light tie-dye wash. I love how it has the striped cuff sleeves on here. Love how it fits. Again, I'm in large when it comes to Original Use. But I love this. I can rock the whole tie-dye with so many things. I can even put this on with the denim jacket I have. But I'm obsessed with this. I'm obsessed with the whole tie-dye look that they have going on for spring. There's a lot of tons of other shirts that are also tie-dye, so this is not the only one. It does have a high-low fit to it on the bottom. Alright, so this one here is also from the thrift shop. This one is an oversized silky top. It's big time oversized too. I recently took some pictures of wearing this. Oversized fitted, flowy, perfect for spring and summer. You can roll up the sleeves a little bit. You can do the French tuck with this one. That's how I did it in one of the pictures I took. It looks good with white. It looks good with any type of color. The little wiggly lines on here is more like a taupe color. I just like this. I like the flowy tops are back in for spring and summer. So this one you can work whichever way you want and it looks good. So this is the other one that I got at Goodwill. This one, so pretty much everything that I've got at the thrift store was less than $3. I also did a shoot with this shirt on and some white jeans, and it looks pretty cool. Once again, I'm digging the whole stripe on the sleeve type of thing, so I'm liking that a lot right now. It looks pretty good, I like it. Goes well with any neutral color. Goes well with your minimal colors, black, whites. I mean, you can even throw on a tan on here if you want, honestly. Okay, so these right here are from Original Use. Like I said, I'm digging the whole stripe on the side of the pants, side of shorts, it doesn't matter. Shorts or pants, either way, I love how it looks. You can either use them as a fashion look or as a I guess, workout pants. The fit's a little more on the baggy side, but I mean, I guess it's okay. I can even rock this, make it look like a suit pants with a sports jacket on. And I think this would look good with this shirt right here. As a look. But it looks really good, it fits really well. The length is not that bad. Amazing. So this is one of their new items. So if you guys want to go check this out, go to your local Target, or I'll put the website down below as well. Waist fits well. Has the strings here if you want to tighten it up. Now I got these oversized dockers. Now these, I'm going to transform them into chino shorts. So that's going to be one of my DIY videos for some. When I say they fit pretty loose and baggy, that's how they fit. So they are pretty baggy, as you can tell. As you can tell right there, so I am going to tighten it up a little bit on the sides here. Make them into cuff shorts, so I'm excited to do that. Moving on with the next pair. It was an orange tag, so it was 50% off, so I got them for $1. So these, I'm going to DIY them into distressed, like wash. These don't fit that bad. They are a little bit wider on the bottom, but I think it would look really nice as a distressed pants. Now ASOS does have a similar pair like this, so I am going to do the replica of that. So it's going to be similar to the ones that they have at the ASOS website. The back doesn't look as bad either. These are from Dickies. Right guys, so that's it for this short little haul try-on thing, I guess. Just a reminder, Come Thrift With Me video will be coming soon. So you'll get my reaction at all these different type of thrift shops and everything that I find. I've been finding a lot of good stuff. There's other bags I have that I'm saving for another video. I hope you guys enjoyed these items, and if you like any of them, don't forget to check out the website. I'll put the link down below from like Target, or I was gonna show ASOS, but I decided not to. So if you guys wanna go check out the Target items, definitely do. Thrifting is very fun. It was one of my favorite things to do recently. You find treasures. A man's trash is another man's treasure, and that's seriously true. I do recommend to go visit your local thrift shop. You'll find amazing stuff. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name's Tony, and I make review plus size fashion and lifestyle videos. So don't forget to be part of this little family. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, where I'm at TonyDeLaRocha on Instagram and Snapchat. And don't forget to follow my vlog channel. I do have a vlog channel as well, where I vlog my daily life. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.